Brittany at Big Cat Rescue in Tampa, Florida. I see this army in front of me of staff, volunteers, and interns. We are sedating Hoover Tiger. So Hoover, as you know, has had multiple surgeries on his paw, and he's developed a pretty recent limp, and Dr. Justin wants to take a look at him a little bit closer. So he has already been sedated. This group of volunteers and interns are going to help bring him out, and then we'll take him up to the Windsong Memorial Hospital and give him a good look over. So you know, during medical exams, I do not always do a lot of talking, so you can hear what's going on. So for those of you joining us, we have sedated Hoover Tiger for an exam. So right now, Catherine's just giving everybody the instructions of who's going to be doing what. So we're just turning the transport so it'll be easier to get him going once we pull him out. So yep, we need all the good vibes you guys can give us. So while they turn that around, I'm going to turn my golf cart around real quick. Talk to you guys for just another second before we get involved with everything up here. That way Lauren and I can hop on and go. Yeah, poor Hoover, I agree. It's been a rough road for this fella. So amazing. Such an awesome guy. He's had such a rough life. So we are going to hope that we can make him feel more comfortable. So, again, if you guys are just joining, Hoover Tiger is being seen by Dr. Justin today. Slide in behind you real quick. Hoover has been limping pretty badly, and it kind of looks like it might be his good front foot. So they sedated him in his den. Also starting to rain, so I'll stick with you guys as long as it's not a torrential downpour. I was gonna try to catch it with my foot, and then I'm like, then I'd probably really have broken it. Yeah, Hoover's a real tough guy, so let's just hope this is another one of his 9 lives, and it's something that we can help him with. Luana's there in the comments, thankfully, says I don't do a lot of talking for medical exams. So now that you guys know what we're doing, we're just going to watch. Stress him too much by forcing him to come out. So Catherine, Jamie, and Justin are all in that den right there with Hoover. Thank you for all the prayers and good vibes. Thank you guys for sharing this so we can help reach new people, help raise some donations for all the medical care for these cats. Rain's really starting to come down now. Yes, the Explore cameras are turned on in the Winsong Memorial Hospital. Yeah, this is not fun. Thank you very much, Michelle, for the donation.
Okay, everybody else come in? You want us back there or on this side? Come this way? Yeah, this way. Can I come to Catherine?
Just checking his movement here. Thank you guys for being optimistic, and thank you, Kathy, for the donation. Sorry, I'm trying to stay live, but my camera's getting soaked. It's like a real misty rain. It's pretty heavy though. Yeah, in order to get out of those lockouts, they have to squeeze out one person at a time, back and forth. So they've got to turn him. Yeah, we'll stay on this end. Alright, in Afton, we always have her in the transport to pull. She's like one of the last ones with a good back. Thanks for all the good vibes, everybody. Sorry I missed the third person that donated. I'm sure everyone in the comments thanked that person. Nice. Chris Cully is actually asleep on her platform out on vacation, and Amanda was slinking around wanting to be nowhere near this. So they will push and attach him to Jamie's cart, and then we'll be taking him up front. Thank you, Carol, for the donation. Thank you, Kara, for your donation. Alright, so we'll be getting on my cart here. And we're gonna follow Hoover and Jamie up front. Gotta wait on Lauren. Yeah, it looks like Cully moved into her den. Thank you so much to the 5 people that have donated. Whoa, that was an angry squirrel. Thank you, Barb, for the donation. Alright, so this whole posse will head up to the hospital in order to help get him onto the table. Pam, it's a little hard to tell exactly which leg he's limping on, but from Justin's view this morning, it looks as if it might be the front paw that he did not have surgery on. That's why we're getting a closer look. My cart sounds weird. Back tire's doing weird things. So we're just checking him out. That's Afton, Catherine, and Dr. Justin in front of us. Jamie's pulling Hoover. Thank you, Terry, for the donation. So I'll try to stay with you guys as long as I have camera battery. There are cameras in the hospital though. If you go to bigcatcams.com, you can watch from the above head explore.org camera. I'd imagine he's going to get some x-rays, some blood work, some other things happening. So if they go into the x-ray, good chance I'll shut this down, but you can watch from the x-ray explore camera. Explore's still on highlights. Carol said she plugged it in. We'll have to check. Well, I'll stay with you guys at this version of the live as long as I can. Hey to all the regulars. Sorry I didn't shout anybody out. Hospital feeds are a little different than my walkabouts, but thank you guys for helping in the comments. Duchess. Duchess isn't afraid of no transport. Oh, did you need to jump off?
No.
Oh, okay.
I stole Carol's camera.
Oh, okay. I was like, I thought you needed... Never mind. Thank you, Ruth, for your donation. It's just bigcatcams.com, and it lists every single camera on property, and then you'll find the Winsong Memorial Hospital camera or the x-ray camera, assuming that they turned on. Okay, so they'll have to spin Hoover around, get him lined up at the door. Oh, we're gonna get a wait. Everyone knows.
My butt's set. You know, my filter's pretty strong.
Good information. All right.
I know everybody was wondering.
Alright, so we're gonna push Hoover onto the scale and get a weight. Find a place I'm not in the way here. So are we weighing him?
Yep. Oh.
There's some action.
So we're pretty stepped on. What's up? 1440. Okay.
So that is Hoover plus the transport cage. And yes, it was a dart. Saw it earlier as they handed it back out of the cage. Yep, you can open it. There we go. Nope, I was a scooching. I saw it going. It usually does. Heather, thank you for the donation. Are you ready for him?
Yes. Whoa, he's a little blinky.
How blinky? Like,
Slight.
Ugh.
Do you want a mask in?
well, we could pull them on the table. It'd be better to just bring them over here.
Let's get that and then we'll go stand and
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Take this. Ready? 2, 3. Just watch his head. Alright, take the gloves off. And the white stick on. White stick. Okay. Let's move back that cage on his perch.
Push the handle. That's what I just said.
Is the brakes back on?
Back them up a little.
I got the front brake.
The tube is back there.
Chris, I don't have the actual weight yet. We have to subtract out the size of the transport.
That's kind of blinky stuff.
No, I had to push kind of hard.
I got them to kind of blink a little bit, but I'd say let's flip them and get them into it.
Alright, we're gonna have to pull him this way and flip him up on his back.
Oh, brakes. Foot is moved.
Yeah, he's been twitching. His foot has been twitching the whole time. Slide me back.
Hey Lauren, are you able to either hold this? They're saying the Explore cams are not on. Just for like 2 seconds, the owl down there.
Upstairs is on.
They're saying it's on highlights.
Oh, Carol. Carol turned it on.
Would someone with an available phone be able to text her and tell her that? Thank you.
Yeah, I can go check one more time.
Okay. All right. Yeah, and then I asked her and she said yes, but they're saying it's not on, so.
X-ray? Yeah.
Okay. Afton's on the mission real quick. Otherwise, I'll stay live as long as I can with a camera battery.
Yes, I turned the generator on.
Mhm.
Just so his foot doesn't know how long, she doesn't know how long she's available.
Go down there.
Nothing obvious?
No, there's a little fuck.
Oh.
Not surprised though. What has he been on?
Yeah, and, Medicaid.
We did start making,
Mm-hmm.
but no real big difference.
No, but honestly, none of us can tell because we don't see him outside very often. He's been really tight. So I haven't really seen him walking around very much. Even though the medical is very helping.
Well, she's not on the list as ever having been here. So if she wants to, she can, but it might not be a good one.
Very well.
No.
So, I mean, you could give her the option in Warner, or you
Okay.
could not. She just hasn't been on one.
Okay.
But we might have to make a decision here.
Yeah, if he's uncomfortable and he doesn't want to get up. I guess. Pull some blood and just make sure his values are okay. Just a CBC can lights.
So, just,
CBC can lights. Yeah.
okay. That would just be. I mean, we could do the red in case something happens and we need serum.
Do you have the two?
Yep. I got two in my hand. Just change the needle on that. This thing, oh, it changed. It was like really weird. 10 instead or something. Now it's 8.6. No, that was working right.
No. Doesn't work.
It's 95. Use 95 as a fixed one.
Like what? I mean, it's big.
Yeah. It's just kind of holding us back.
Yeah.
How much you know?
Yeah, you can change needles. This one. Justin.
So dark.
Mm-hmm.
You have any reason to look aside?
I think now we'll just get the next one.
Okay.
Let me grab blood tests that we stored. We go to sit down there. All right, so we've drawn some blood. They're gonna do some blood work, and they're gonna take him into the x-ray room, and so I'll probably shut this down for that. And we'll update you guys when we know more.
Yeah, he's good. He's fine.
Oh, like it's Ken,
He knows him.
right?
Yeah.
That all happened.
I just him and
You know, he was in the den.
Oh.
We're all set up in there?
Yeah.
Do you guys have enough people to move him? Should I shut this down? Okay.
Just fine.
Okay. Well, thank you so much to the 10 people that donated and everybody who's been sharing this. Apparently the Explore cameras are offline again, but Afton tried. So we'll get some x-rays, we'll run some blood work, we'll have some conversations, and then we will update you guys when we know more. Get out of the way here. So we'll watch them go in there. Michelle, apparently the Explore cam's not on, so we'll just have to wait and see. Okay. So it may pop up while he's in there, but we'll see. All right.
Yeah, I'm just watching the table. You gotta mind your own body.
All right, everybody. So we'll get him some x-rays. We'll wait on blood work. And I will
That corner.
update you guys
that
later
corner going straight. And then there's
when he comes back out.
table. And I'll move it closer here. You can move it closer to the table. Oh, and adjust that before you go. Yeah, go down. Down, stop.
The 38.
Yeah.
Ready? You got the head.
Yeah, good.
2, 3.
All right, guys. We'll check back with you here in a bit.